What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a CCX box update. So today we are going to go over something that we can do on our box. Well, you can do in any Conceal wallet, but we're going to do this on our box because, well, you can do all of this inside of this one device. Makes it pretty simple, pretty easy, and makes it all around useful. Now, if you don't know what we're talking about, we are talking about the CCX box that you can get over here at NodeAndBits. Alright, so it is a small form factor PC. Now remember, mine does have the i7-3770 with 512GB NVMe drive, 16GB of RAM, and a RX 6400 Aero GPU. I'm actually looking at upgrading mine to the 60, I think we can put a 6600 is the highest power wise that we can put in here without upgrading the internal power supply, which if we do, we could upgrade the internal power supply, and as long as it is a small form factor card, we can make it fit, right? So maybe let me know in the comment section down below if that's something that maybe you would like us to try. Alright, so you can get one of these over here at NodeAndBits down below. The website is down in the description below. Alright, now you will be able, just make sure when you go into your notes, just add in, say, CryptoMykel sent you. And that way we can kind of gauge where the user traffic is coming from. Has no affiliate code. I don't have an affiliate, so I don't get paid for anything that gets sent there. This is just simply my humble, honest reviews, and of course, I do like the CCX project. So today we're going to go over actually how to use the bridge. We are going to bridge from the BEP20 chain, which is the Binance Smart Chain, over to the main CCX, and then after we do that, we're going to show you how you can actually stake your CCX inside your wallet. If you're using the core wallet, you can stake right inside of the wallet and earn a little bit. I think it's 4% is the current ratio for up to 12 months. Alright, so let's dive on in. Alright, so first, I do not have any wrapped CCX on the Binance Smart Chain, which is where most of the liquidity for wrapped Conceal is well, on the Binance Smart Chain. I was going to use Polygon, but Polygon was acting weird, and really there's not much liquidity on there. But there is liquidity on the Binance Smart Chain, so I'm going to swap 0.02 BNB for some Conceal. We're going to head and do that. We're going to be flipping some pancakes and confirm. And we will get 200 and about 21.158 wrapped CCX. Dunzo, as you can see right there. Now you can actually bridge your assets if you want to bridge them, but we're not really doing that here. Yeah, so you can actually see it here on Dex Screener. So I'll have a link for us below if you choose to look at it. But here's our buy, which is kind of funny. But if you do know what you're doing, you can see 3 cents, 5 cents. I won't say anymore, but be sure to watch that. Alright, so now that we do have our 200 and something Conceal, we are going to go to the bridge, and we're going to go to the Binance wCCX to regular Conceal. We're going to click swap these assets. There's the amount, and let's see how much wCCX we actually have. We're going to swap 221 or 220. Makes it really easy for us to deal math with. Now we need our CCX wallet, so we need to go over here to our CCX wallet, which you can see here is our Conceal, which huge and super shout out to our boy Inbox. But thanks a lot for reviewing the CCX. This is from our boy Zeb Chaps, who owns NodeAndBits, for reviewing this. He actually sent us 1,000 CCX, so huge shout out to you, my dude. We're gonna give away 500 of this CCX at the end of this series, so be sure to be on the lookout for that opportunity coming out here soon. So we need to copy our address. I'm going to go ahead, come down here. We're going to paste that address. Now, they would like you to put in your confirmation, like an email address, just in case anything goes wrong. You don't have to do that, but in case you would like to, you can put it in, right? And then we can just click continue. As you can see, it pops up here. We're going to be sending some CCX, 220 CCX to be exact, on the Binance Smart Chain. So click confirm, it'll go to here, and now we will be swapping basically. So here is our receipt. Here is our confirmation on the Explorer. Now we can actually go back and check our CCX wallet, and it's already there. So here's 219.999. Of course, they had a little bit of a bridge fee in order to get the rest of that CCX, but it's pending. So as soon as it is fully confirmed on the chain, we'll show you exactly how to utilize the rest of our CCX to stake CCX. So be right back. While we actually wait for that to finish up, because it's going to be a minute before that actually finishes pending, we're going to go ahead and go to your banking tab inside CCX wallet. So I was doing some funny math, but we're going to lock up 700 CCX. All right, so you have a maximum, you can do a minimum of 1 month for 0.24%, or you can go for the full maximum, which is 12. You can't go any higher than 12, which will give us 4%, which will earn us about 28 CCX, which doesn't seem like a lot, but we were given the CCX, and we're actually just going to go ahead and stake it, and then we're going to give away 500 at the end of the series. So we'll click make a deposit. Please note that once all funds are locked in a deposit, you will not have access until maturity. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. It always gives us like that internal error, but it does lock them. I'm not sure why it does that. It did it on my other wallet too, whenever I did it a while back. So as you can see, we'll have an interest. This is what we'll get, is 728 CCX at the term. Once everything else kind of finishes in, it'll show the rest of it. But just like that, 700 CCX locked. Now we do have a locked deposit. Here's our locked. Here's our pending is 519. Because that's what we will have left after everything is fully converted over. Plus we still have the 200 that will be supposed to be dropping back in, right? Do keep that in mind, that is what it'll be at that point. That is pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That is how you get wrapped conceal on the Binance Smart Chain. Use the bridge, send it back to your wallet, your CCX wallet, which once you do send it back to CCX, the main chain, that transaction does become private. So that is a huge benefit and a super cool thing with Conceal that you can actually do. All right. Also, be sure to follow the links down in the description below and get your own CCX box from NodeAndBits. Put in a quote, see what it'll cost you for shipping, and then of course tell them I sent you. I'd greatly appreciate it. And before you leave, hit the like button, subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when we go live and post videos. We'll catch you on the flip side. Stay savage. Peace out, guys.